Huh, how to become an accidental genius? Well, you don't have to be a genius to recognize how beautiful this detached home is. Welcome to number 3, Pearly Crescent. I'm extremely excited for you to see this amazing home that has 5 bedrooms, 3 full washrooms, a finished basement, a double garage, a lot that has a frontage of more than 60 feet, tucked away within the Cathedral Bluffs. Inside the Cliffcrest community, this is a true gem that hasn't been offered for decades and waiting for your family. But don't let me talk about it. Have a look at it.